Hi, this is the Business Guy. So what if you have stock at one brokerage house and you want to change brokers? Do you need to sell the stock, turn it into cash, and then wire the money to the new broker and then rebuy the stock on the other end with all the tax consequences of selling securities? Or is there an easier, more tax-friendly way? And the answer is yes. It's called a transfer in kind. A transfer in kind allows you to move your investments from one broker to another without selling them. For example, if you own stock in Apple, Google, or Disney, you can simply move your existing investments to a new broker without selling them. By the way, if you appreciate this info, please click the like button below so YouTube promotes it. And if you haven't already, you can click subscribe to get notified of more videos like this one. I've been in the business of protecting assets from lawsuits since 1991. Our company started in 1906, and I believe we have over 80,000 clients in our database. Our team has helped tens of thousands of people set up bank and brokerage accounts around the world. Most investment brokers accept in-kind transfers. Transferring in this fashion makes it easier to switch accounts and allows you to avoid the tax consequences of selling your investments. However, the investments that you can transfer in kind will vary from broker to broker. In general, most stocks, bonds, options, exchange-traded funds can be transferred as is. Still, some investments, such as those not offered or supported by the new broker, will need to be sold. In this case, you simply sell the investment and transfer the cash proceeds to the new broker. Once there, if you wish, you can buy the available investments that the new brokerage house offers. So how do you transfer in kind? Simple. You simply fill out a form. First, you open up an account with your new broker. Then you request the transfer in kind form and you turn it in. Sit back and relax and they do all the rest. Don't sweat it. They do this every day. Just fill out the form and let them do their jobs. Soon you will see the same investments that you had at your old brokerage account as you log into the new online brokerage account with the new broker. And there they will be, all of your old friends, the stock that you owned before, sitting right there in your new account, just like they were in your old account. And that's a transfer in kind. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. This is the Business Guy.